Hello guys, welcome back to Gloria Home of Skill. So guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching how to make a very delicious grilled catfish, also known as barbecue fish. I have a video of it in my channel, but I want to teach another method of making very delicious one. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. So in this recipe we are going to start by washing the fishes. So I'm pouring hot water. You know fish has a slimy body, so I'm pouring hot water so that all the slimy body will go off. It can't go off just like that, but I'll be using knife to scrape it. With the help of the hot water, it will be very easy for me to do. So you can see that the body is very dark, but immediately I poured water it changes color. So I'm going to use knife to scrape it, and I'll wash up to 3 to 4 times, and it is ready to start making the barbecue fish. So stay tuned and keep watching. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll be able to learn a lot in this channel. You'll be able to learn how to produce things yourself. All the money making skill, you'll be able to learn it here. So please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon there so that you stay updated when next I post a new video. So keep watching.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
So these are the ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. So in there I have ginger, I have garlic, I have onion, and I have tomatoes. So there are 2 types of pepper there. The one they called shum, but the long one, and the short one is habanero pepper. So I'm going to wash all of them and I'll blend it.
But my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 but my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
So after washing the pepper mix and all that, I'm going to wash the plantain. So for today recipe I'm going to be using plantain. You can use anything. You can use yam, you can use potato, you can use anything you want, but for today I'm using plantain. So this is me cutting all the pepper mix and onion, garlic and all that. So I'll be blending them now.
But my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry.
add a little bit of water and blend. So you can see that the water I put there is not much, so do not add too much of water. Right now I'm going to be peeling the plantain. After peeling it, I'll cut it into the sizes I want and I'll add salt and fry.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
I'm going to add vegetable oil into the pan, then I'll heat it up to 5 minutes and I'll begin to fry.
So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
You can see that the plantain is done, so I'll be taking it off the heat. I used to hear people say they can't resist eating plantain while frying them. And my answer is, once you apply discipline, you'll be able to resist it, okay?
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
I will be reducing this oil because I'm going to use it to fry the pepper mix. So I'll begin by frying the onions. Once the onion is golden brown, you can pour in the pepper mix. Oh my god, the splashing is too much, so I had to reduce the heat.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
So stir it properly, and once it is boiled, you can begin to add the spices you have. So I'll be showing the ones I am using in this recipe. So this is spicy tea spice, the one that they use in making jollof rice, but I'll be adding it here, so I like it a lot. I'll be adding one chicken seasoning to it. This is not chicken seasoning, so that's the one I like. You can use any one of your choice. So after that, I will stir properly and leave it to boil for a while.
Baby, you give me midnight.
So I'll be adding salt because I tested it off camera and salt was not enough, so that's why I'm adding it. I wouldn't have added anyone because you know all these spices have salt in it, so I don't want to put too much of salt in my food. So guys, our sauce is ready. So please make sure your sauce is well dried. So I'm going to stir it and turn off the heat so I can start making the fish. Please make sure it is well dried so that you won't see water after your fish is done. Okay. So it is time to season our fish. So in there I have chicken seasoning, and this is seasoning cube. This is 2 chicken seasoning. So you know how not chicken seasoning is, there is always 2 inside, so total is 4. So I'll be adding the remaining spicy thing. This is the remaining spicy thing. So right now I'm going to add the kitchen glory. After that I will add in the vegetable oil and stir it.
You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
So this is the fish. I'm cutting it section by section so that all the spice and the sauce will penetrate very well. So right now I'm going to apply those spices into the fish. I'm going to apply both the inside and outside on all those places that I gave a cut. I'm going to make sure it enters them very well, so that the fish will be very tasty.
and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna.
So it is time to add the sauce. You can see that I'm putting it inside the fish head, and I'm still going to turn it upside down. And all those places that I gave a cut, I'm going to put it there. So I'm just doing this to just make sure that this fish is very tasty. So guys, use this medium to subscribe to my channel. This is Gloria Home of Skin, in case you are seeing this video for the first time. So and press the bell icon so that you'll be the first to see my video when next I post. Please like this video and leave a comment down below, okay?
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.
So guys, I'll be putting it inside the oven, and there are some other ways of doing this. You can just put a charcoal and place it on top of it. It will be done. So this is vegetable. You can see what is in there is cucumber, carrot and cabbage. So I'll be cutting them into small pieces for salad.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
I'll be adding mayonnaise. After adding it, I will stir it properly and set it aside. Then I'll bring out the fish from the oven because it is done. Okay guys, our fish is ready and I'm happy unwrapping this, so unwrap it with me, okay? From the look of the fish, it is very well steamed. So there are some sauce that are remaining, so I'll be adding it. And also watch how I'm decorating this fish. Buy this prepared fish outside, you know how much you spend. Yes, there is fun going out to eat this, and there is also fun saving your costs. So this is me teaching you how to do all this at home and save your money. At least you can go out to eat it once in a while. So now I am putting the salad by the side, so watch how I'm going to do others. Guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please give me a thumbs up, that is, like this video. That is what I mean by thumbs up. Subscribe and please share my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.